In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Adobe Photoshop on Windows 11 in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right into it. Our first stop is the Adobe website, where you'll want to look for the free trial button. Clicking this will set you on the path to access Photoshop's full suite of features without any immediate commitment. After you've kicked off with the free trial, the next step is to follow the prompts to select a plan that suits your needs. Adobe offers a couple of options here. You can opt for a single app plan specifically for Photoshop, or if you're keen on exploring other Adobe tools, you might consider the Creative Cloud All Apps plan. Choosing the right plan is crucial, as this will determine your access and future payments after the trial period. Now, it's time to enter your payment details. I know it might seem like a big commitment, but don't worry, Adobe offers a trial period. You have the flexibility to cancel at any time before this 7-day trial ends, which means you won't be charged if you decide not to proceed after trying out the software. This period gives you a great opportunity to test and see if Photoshop fits perfectly into your workflow. Once you've handled that, head over to the Creative Cloud download page on the Adobe website. Here's where the magic happens. Your download should begin automatically. But if for some reason you find nothing happening, don't panic. There's a handy Restart Download link. Click it if needed. The file you're downloading is called Creative Cloud Setup.exe, and this is what will launch us into the next steps. With the download complete, open the downloaded file. You'll encounter a series of installer prompts. Just carefully click through these prompts, and if you're asked whether to allow the app to make changes to your device, go ahead and click Yes. This is a standard security feature in Windows, ensuring you're aware of installations that have long-term access to your system. Now, using your Adobe ID, sign in. This step will lead to the installation of the Creative Cloud desktop app, which conveniently opens up for you post-installation. Once inside the app, navigate to the Apps tab and select All Apps. As you scroll through, you'll find a list of applications available. Look for Photoshop. So here we are, nearly at the end of our journey. When you spot Photoshop, click the Install button. This action will begin the download and installation process of Photoshop on your computer. And there you have it. Once the installation is complete, Photoshop will automatically launch, ready for you to start creating. That wraps it up. You've successfully downloaded and installed Adobe Photoshop on your Windows 11 machine. Now you're all set to dive into your projects and unlock the potential of this powerful software. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing!